Welcome to our radio play. These scenes are based on true stories. They are intended to raise awareness and challenge disability discrimination. People who experience disability want to be treated with respect, empathy, and dignity. The script and devised play was put together with Emerge Community Arts during the COVID pandemic in 2021. Working with our drama group Act Now, we met weekly online to devise the scenes you are about to hear from the scripts. Enjoy.
Hi you guys, that was cool. I am Danny from the local radio team interviewing all you amazing people at this festival. So what was it like, writing and composing your own song? You know, you guys writing it, learning it, singing it together with so many, differences. I mean, you know what I mean. You're the support workers, right? You get what I mean. Like, I can say that, yeah?
Why don't you ask us the questions?
Oh, yeah, okay. Really sorry, guys. Absolutely right. Cool. Right. I will just ask a few questions. So, who wrote the lyrics for your great song?
I wrote the lyrics.
You wrote the lyrics? Wow. Cool. What else are you good at?
Telling jokes and making people laugh.
Yeah. Isn't that so cool? You know, telling jokes, making people laugh. Everyone likes a good joke. Cool to be so happy. Not much upsets you, happy lot, then?
Yes, lots of things upset us. People who don't listen. People who don't care. People who speak as if we are not there.
Happy birthday, Alexi.
Thank you.
How do you like your present?
I hope it's not an ironing board.
Yes, it is.
Good. Ladies need perfume, makeup and jewellery and nice clothes, not an ironing board.
Why don't they need an ironing board?
Well, I can't iron it for starters.
Maybe you should learn. What do you say about that, Alexi?
That was a bit cheeky, if you don't mind me saying. I didn't like the toast and I don't want an ironing board again. I want some nice clothes, if you don't mind.
Tuh, you're not getting anything like that.
I beg your pardon. Oh, yes, I am. It's my birthday.
Oh, no, you're not.
Oh, yes, I am.
We'll go out for a meal.
Okay.
To the quite good food restaurant.
Oh, nice. Looking forward to it. Victoria, do you want to come as well?
Yes, I am coming. I am starving and Yippee Dad is paying.
But you're not having the expensive stuff, only the cheap stuff.
Right, okay.
But there'll be no pudding.
Oh, come on, love. You said you loved me.
Your taxi's here.
Come on, girls, let's go and get in the taxi.
Come on, Victoria, you look gorgeous.
Thanks, Mum. Are we having 3 courses?
No, you're not.
My daughter can have whatever she wants.
Oh, thanks, Mum.
I've not made the money, you know.
Don't be so mean, Dad.
Here we are, the quite good food place.
Yeah.
That'll be $37.95.
What? I'm not paying that. That's a rip-off.
Hey, that's the charge.
Why can't you do any cheaper?
Oh, don't be so stingy. It's my birthday.
Okay, then.
Thank
There
you.
you are.
Welcome, sir and madam, to the Quite Good Food restaurant. We got a table in the corner for you. Here's a menu for you and a menu for you.
Why was waiter not giving me a menu, Mum?
Oh, yeah, you can have a menu if you want one. There you go. I'll give you a couple of minutes to choose what you want. Can I get you anything to drink?
I'll have non-alcoholic Prosecco, please.
Amazing. And sir?
Can I have an orange squash, please, with ice and water?
Of course. And what would your daughter like?
I would like a glass of water, please. No ice.
Oh, of course. Yeah, of course. Are you ready to order food?
Yeah.
Sir, what do you want?
Can I have a cheeseburger with chips?
Of course. And madam?
I'd like a curry with rice, please.
Excellent choice. And what would your daughter like?
Steak.
Oh, I'm sick of this. No menu, and now he asks you what I'm eating. He'll probably ask if I need my meal blended.
Well, do you need your meal blended?
Do I look like a baby?
No, but So what do you want?
I would like to have steak and chips, please.
Of course, and how would you like it cooked? Is that sign language? I don't speak sign language. Are you just moving your hand? I don't get what you're saying.
Medium.
Oh, yeah, medium. Yeah, will do. Back in a mo.
What do you think of this fancy restaurant?
I think it's lovely.
But have a pudding.
A nice piece of cake or something.
Of course you can.
Sir, your burger. Madam, your steak. And madam, your curry.
Thank you very much.
Was that a yes or no for the blended steak?
Wait,
No.
I would like to ask you a question.
Oh, yeah.
What do you see when you look at me?
A customer.
Don't insult my intelligence then.
Quite right. Yeah. Sorry.
Please talk to me. I have found myself in many situations. I have felt insulted with people ignoring me, talking down to me, and even worse, talking to me as if I was a baby. Worse than insulted or patronized is when people feel sorry for me. It makes me feel bad about my life.
How cute. Does she want some sweeties?
Does she like it?
Is this gonna be all right for her?
Does need her food blended.
Has she been sterilised?
Oh, she's so cute, bless her.
Does she want some sweeties? Can I talk to you? Can you understand me? Why are you in a chair?
Why are you in a chair?
Why are you in a chair?
What's she
What's
saying?
she saying? I can't understand
What's she saying? I
her.
can't
What's she
understand
saying?
her.
I can't understand her.
What's she saying? I can't understand her. Life comes up with something special when you're least expecting it. Keep hope in your heart.
Happy Christmas, everyone.
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas, everyone. Let's open the presents and see what we get.
Me first.
I beg your pardon.
I'm looking forward to this. I've got aftershave and toiletries. Thank you.
Ooh, it better not be an iron board. Tell you that now.
Don't worry, I won't make that mistake again.
Wow, gold earrings, I love them. Here's your present, Victoria.
Book of Verse. That's just me.
I know you love poetry. Read this, it's a good one.
Daffodilly. She wore her yellow sunbonnet. She wore her greenest gown. She turned to the south wind and curtsied up and down. She turned to the sunlight and shook her yellow head and whispered to her neighbor, "Winter is dead." I'm going to write poetry.
I'm proud of you.
You're a really good writer.
Thank you both. Myself. I use a wheelchair because I can't walk. I use a voice box because I can't talk. I listen to people. I take it all in. Some look surprised when I have a big grin. I write on my computer stories I like to tell. People like to read them and it's helping me to spell. My family call me clever clogs when they read my poems. It helps me to express my thoughts in my mind that roams.
This poem's very good. Have you written any more?
Victoria must have written a few by now. Here's a good one.
Joy. Joy is a happy feeling. Joy is hope. Joy can be colourful. Joy being with someone special. Joy is birthday and Christmas all roll into one. Joy giving. Joy is winning. Joy is helping. Joy is chocolate and ribs and chips.
That's lovely. I really like this poem. Each day of our life is a journey. That's great.
Each day of our life is a journey. We think, how far are we going today? What way shall we go, to the city or town? Before choosing, do we need to pay? We may have to ask questions on the way. Which way to go is the best? Will we meet the right people to guide us on our quest? Each day of our life is a journey. I remember my teacher saying to me, "Victoria, how would you feel if we put some of your poems in a little book?" I was really excited about this opportunity for me. We took no notice of all the criticism. We found a publisher and here it is. We sold copies. I was interviewed by Granada Television. I was on Look North. It was so exciting. For me, writing poems is part of my life. I live my life to write poems. Sometimes I say to Mum, "Mum, can you help me? I've got a poem in my head." What was really great though was when I got the best communication aid, the eye gaze.
I'd like you to try this. All the communication aids you had before have been very poor. When you get the hang of this, it'll make a huge difference. You'll be able to communicate, express your ideas, and express your feelings. You'll be able to write the whole of a poetry book.
I like this one.
My dog Lottie runs in front of bike riders, sits on the bed, sits on the settee for a tickle on her tummy. Fussy really likes chicken. Dances on her back legs like a small child. I love her a lot. My dog Lottie.
This is a good one.
A picture. People see in picture all sorts of different things. It could be how they are feeling at that moment when they are looking. You can see inside a picture. How far can the mind's eye go? It's like looking out of a window. Sometimes what you see brings back a different memory from the back of your mind. On my wall, in my home, is that picture. I can now have my say and say it how I want. Listen to my voice.